It is a bespoke vision. I just want to continue my story to let you know about this vision of Coach Builder, let's say. It's been created to the individual tastes of a future wealthy patron. Every detail will be cared for, carefully crafted by Rolls-Royce. And our platform vision is modular. You can choose your configuration. You can have your four-seater, your open top. We believe that in harnessing new manufacturing technologies such as additive manufacturing or 3D printing as it's called, we can form skins to the wishes of our future wealthy patrons. So in essence, we are revisiting our coach build service of over 100 years ago, where we will deliver the perfect lightweight electric platform. Motors at the front in this case, motor at the rear, and we can modularize that to the wishes and tastes of our customers. Now on to the grand arrival moment. Yes, as you just saw, you're finally able to stand up. I mentioned this moment of staging your arrival into the night or onto your next destination. We wanted to make that as elegant as possible. So this side-hinged canopy that opens up with the iconic coach doors was this grand gesture. And we very much liked this point of reference, which we call the Botticelli moment. We believe that the birth of Venus, the Botticelli masterpiece, actually exemplifies this beautiful sense of arrival, and we're inspired by that. We've removed the chauffeur and the autonomous driver. And finally, ever present, and this is my little story, which I think is also a very nice part of the car, artificial intelligence. She is your ethereal concierge.
Hello, I'm Eleanor, the Rolls-Royce Spirit of Ecstasy. I'm able to be here with you for the first time in over 100 years.
So Eleanor exists with the car. She is actually Eleanor Thornton. She was a lady who posed for a famous sculptor not far from here 100 years ago. And we've chosen our beautiful figurine as the artificial intelligence, the ethereal assistant, the perfect concierge. She is your muse. She knows everything about you. She knows what you would desire in life, whether leisure or business. And all you need to communicate to your perfect concierge